Welcome back. In the File Explorer menu, you also have a Share menu, and most of these commands are going to be familiar to you. You can take any folder or any set of folders and you can email them, and they're going to be emailed as an attachment. You can take any folder, any set of folders, and you can zip them from this command inside of your File Explorer. Of course, you can also do this by right-clicking. So for example, if we wanted to take these two folders together and we wanted to zip them into one compressed file, we can then click this command, and then they're going to be zipped into a compressed file, which we will then need to rename. Provided that you have some kind of writable disk inside of your PC, what you can do is you can take all of these files and you can burn them to a particular disk. And what you need to do is you need to click this link. As long as you have the media inside of your drive, you can then burn these files to a particular disk. You can take a document from this menu and you can use the fax command. So for example, you'll see there that if we click this PowerPoint presentation, what we can do is we can then click this fax button, and then that will then open up a dialog box for us to be able to fax the document. Now in this menu, you'll see this says Share menu in this panel. That means then that we can share our folders or set of folders with anyone in a particular network that we share. So for example, if we were to take this folder, we can then share that document with anyone that's going to be in our network. They'll show up here, or we can share them with specific individuals that we designate. Once we have given that person access, we can then remove that individual by clicking this Remove Access button. There are also advanced security features for each folder or each set of folders. And we can see at a glance who has access to a particular folder. We can access how these folders are being shared, as well as auditing and effective access privileges. Of course, we can take any document and we can share it using this command all the way to the left, and all we'll need to do is to click this button. And we can choose to share the document by email with members of our contacts. We can also share the document by Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So for example, if we were to click Tap to Turn, Windows will then look for other devices with whom we can share the document. And of course, we can also share through any of the available methods such as mail, your cloud drive, your OneNote through the cloud drive, or Skype. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.